So between here and here, that's between the first line and the second line, we have 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. And if you notice that the first 4, we have this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one, that's the middle of it. Since we have 8 lines, so this is the fourth one, is longer than the other ones. There's always a reason, because it's like the division is the middle. Do you understand? So if you want to read the tape now, so we are starting with the number 1. Now we have this as a whole number. So if your measurement falls on the first line, that is what? This is number 1, right? So it is read as 1 over how many?
Over 8.
1 over 8. Do you understand? So that is why it is 1 over 8. In fraction, there is nothing that can divide this. That's the lowest fraction. So we leave it as 1 over 8. So we call it what? 1/8. Exactly. So then we move to the second line. So this is the second line. We don't have a clearer, but let's use this. Okay, so what's that line? Number what?
Number 2.
Number
2.
Number 2. So 2 over
8.
Abi?
Yes.
So that's number 1, 2. 2 over 8.
8.
We cannot leave this as 2 over 8 because it's still going to, there's still a lowest division. You can still divide it to the lowest number. So what is the lowest number you can divide it? So this can go 1, this will go 4. That is 1 over 4. That is what? 1/4. Exactly.
Yes.
So then the third one, Abi, we are moving to 1, 2, 3. So number 3 is what? 3 over
8.
Can we divide it into anything?
No.
That's the way it will stand. So we refer to it as what?
3/4.
How is it 3/4?
8.
3/8. Because I know that's what most of the time you people maybe it is 3/8. That's not 3/4. Do you understand? It's 3 over 8. Then the next one is what?
Number 4.
Why are you muting the call? Can you hear me? The next one is what?
4.
So that's 4 over 8. Can we leave this as it is? 4 over 8. Is that the lowest division?
No.
So 4 can go into 8. So 4 will go here 1. 4 will go here 2. That is 1 over 2. That is 1/2. So that's why this one is longer. Do you understand? Because it's the one that is dividing this side and it is the half of that length. Do you understand? So that's why we have it as 1 over 2. That is half. Then the next one is what? Number what is this? Number what do we have here?
5.
Number what is this one?
That's half.
This one,
Number
the
4.
long one in the middle. Number what is this? Number 4. Number what is this?
Number 5.
So this is 5 over 8. Can this be divisible by any fraction? Can you so we leave it as what? 5/8. Exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next one is what? The next line
6 over 8.
is what? 6 6 over 8.
8 plus 3 quarter.
This is still going to be divisible. Then you can still go to the lowest fraction. So
Yes.
2 can go in 6. In how many times?
3.
3. 6 will go in, 2 will go in 4. How many times?
4 minutes. That's 4.
Abi? So that is where we have what?
3
3
quarter.
quarters.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is different. So can you see 3 quarter now and 3/8 that they are different things? 3 quarter. This is 3/8. This is 3 quarters. They are two different lines and two different places. So that's 3 quarters. Then the next one is what? Number what? This is number 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the number what is this?
7.
Number 7. So let's put our 7 here. 7 over 8. Can you divide it by anything?
No.
So that's why it's 7,
8.
8. Then the last one is what? That's number what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 over 8. When you divide 8 by 8, it's got to 1.
1.
So that's the one. So by the time you are counting and you get to this place, it will be what? The next whole number. So you have started with 1 and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next whole number after 1 is what?
2.
Do you understand? So because 8 divided by 8 is 1. So and you will add this 1 to the next number, to the previous number. So the previous number you on your tape is 1. Once you add 1, 8 divided by 8, 1 to 1 is what? 2. That's how you get 2. Is that clear? Yeah?